Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you a straightforward but super handy trick, how to add a PDF link in Google Sheets. Whether you want to share a contract, a report, or instructions with your team, embedding a PDF link in your spreadsheet can save a ton of time and keep all your info organized in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload your PDF to Google Drive, grab the shareable link, and seamlessly add it to your sheet, so you can share documents with anyone at a moment's notice. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you're already logged into your Google account. That's an important step because it gives you access to all your Google tools like Drive and Sheets without any extra hassle. If you ever get lost, just check the top right corner of your browser. You'll see your profile picture if you're logged in. Alright, now let's find those Google apps. In the top right corner of your Google homepage, look for a grid of 9 little dots. Sometimes people call this the Google Apps waffle. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up with all your favorite Google services. Go ahead and click on Drive. This is where all of your files, including PDFs, live in the Google ecosystem. Once you're in Google Drive, it's time to upload your PDF file. If you already have your PDF saved on your computer, just hit the New button on the left side and choose File Upload. Navigate to where your PDF is stored, then select it. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your file, uploading might take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a progress bar for a bit. Once the PDF is uploaded, you'll see it surface in your drive. Now go to the right corner of that file, hover over it and look for the share icon, which looks like a person with a plus sign, or you can right-click the file and choose Get Link. This part is key. When you click Get Link, make sure you adjust the sharing settings so that anyone with the link can view the file. You wouldn't want your teammates or friends to find out they don't have permission to access it. Copy that shareable link. This will be what you paste in your spreadsheet. Now let's switch gears, head back to that grid of 9 dots in the top right corner, and this time select Google Sheets. You can open up an existing spreadsheet or start a new one. It's totally up to you and the project you're working on. Click on the cell where you want to insert your PDF link. Maybe it's a spot under Resources or next to a client's name, wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. Once you've selected the cell, just paste that PDF link you copied earlier right into the blank space. And now here's a little trick. After you've pasted the link, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This moves you out of the cell, confirming the link, and you'll see that Google Sheets automatically turns your pasted URL into a clickable link. That's it. Now anyone with access to your sheet can simply click that cell and open up your PDF in a flash. And there you have it, a quick and clear way to keep your documents connected, accessible, and easy to share, all inside Google Sheets. I hope this walkthrough made the process simple and stress-free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google tips, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. See you next time.